നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ എലൈസ. ഞാൻ അമേരിക്കയിൽ നിന്നാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ മലയാളം സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. I've been studying Malayalam for the last 4 years, and on my social media channels, I've provided tips, tutorials, videos, and resources to help others learn Malayalam as well. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു പുതിയ development ഉണ്ട്. On Mondays, on the South Asian Languages Discord channel, I'll be offering free beginner classes in Malayalam. 4:30 p.m. IST every Monday, I will be there to lead a 45-minute class where we focus on grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, reading, and we even get to interact and do speaking and listening practice. Whether you're married to a Malayali, have a friend that's Malayali, have a love for Kerala, or you grew up outside of where your mother tongue was spoken and want to reconnect, everyone is welcome. A safe place to make mistakes, ask questions, and interact with other people around the world interested in Malayalam. With my background in education, I can break things down and explain it to you clearly at the beginner level so that you can build up your confidence to speak and interact in Malayalam. So again, join us at the South Asian Languages Discord channel at 4:30 p.m. IST every Monday for our lesson. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാം പറയുന്നത് പോലെ